So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove cards from Exness account. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account so you can see accounts, performance, history of orders, terminal, your payments and wallet, your insights, as well as your Exness benefits, copy trading, support hub, profile, and some more stuff underneath. So once you're done seeing all of that, if you have a card that's already linked to it, you can see stuff within your accounts. You can see your performance, you can see your payments and wallet, as I mentioned before. So you can use some deposit or withdrawal methods that can be added through there. So if you're using your deposit, you can see between your accounts, you can see your BNB and your bank card. So once it becomes available and it has been used either for withdrawal or deposit, if it's active, it can be manually removed. You have to wait for it to expire and then you can remove it through there more easily. But removing bank cards, it's not that simple. So Exness takes care of expired bank cards automatically. So once it expires, you will get an option to remove it on here. Once it's removed, you can then stop worrying about it and then just remove it. If it's active, you won't get that option until it gets until it expires, and after that it's going to be removable. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.